Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the wonderful world of healthy and delicious recipes. Today, we have an exciting topic that will leave you feeling refreshed and energized. Get ready to discover 4 amazing smoothie recipes that will give you a natural energy boost. Let's dive right in. Recipe 1, Berry Blast. Our first recipe is the Berry Blast smoothie. Packed with antioxidants and vitamins, this vibrant concoction is a perfect way to start your day. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. 1 ripe banana. 1 cup of spinach. Half a cup of almond milk. 1 tablespoon of honey, optional. Blend all the ingredients together until smooth, and voila! You have a delicious Berry Blast smoothie that will kickstart your energy levels. Recipe 2, Tropical Delight. Now, let's transport ourselves to a tropical paradise with our next recipe, the Tropical Delight smoothie. This combination of tropical fruits will make you feel like you're lounging on a beach. Here's what you'll need. 1 ripe mango. 1 ripe kiwi. 1 cup of pineapple chunks. Half a cup of coconut water. Juice of 1 lime. Blend these tropical delights together, and you'll have a refreshing smoothie that not only boosts your energy but also transports you to a tropical getaway. Recipe 3, Green Power. Our next recipe is for all the green smoothie enthusiasts out there. The Green Power smoothie is packed with leafy greens and nutritious ingredients. Here's what you'll need. 2 cups of kale or spinach. 1 ripe avocado. 1 green apple. 1 cup of cucumber slices. Juice of 1 lemon. Half a cup of coconut water. Blend these green powerhouses together, and you'll have a vibrant and nutrient-rich smoothie that will revitalize your body and mind. Recipe 4, Choconut Bliss. Finally, who says healthy can't be indulgent? Our last recipe is the Choconut Bliss smoothie, perfect for all the chocolate lovers seeking an energy boost. Here's what you'll need. 2 ripe bananas. 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. 2 tablespoons of almond butter. 1 cup of almond milk. 1 teaspoon of honey, optional. A pinch of sea salt. Blend all these ingredients together, and you'll have a guilt-free chocolatey treat that provides a natural energy kick. And there you have it, 4 refreshing smoothie recipes that will give you a natural energy boost. Whether you choose the Berry Blast, Tropical Delight, Green Power, or Choconut Bliss, you're sure to find a smoothie that suits your taste buds and keeps you energized throughout the day. Remember, a healthy lifestyle doesn't mean compromising on taste. By incorporating these nutritious smoothies into your routine, you'll not only satisfy your cravings, but also nourish your body with essential vitamins and minerals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting recipes and health tips. Stay energized and have a fantastic day.